ad on Instagram. I got very fascinated with it and I wanted to explore that arena of planning a trip wherein we just do only safari.
I was browsing the Instagram and from that I come to know about Shashank Birla, and from then I took it forward.
It was a little bit, sort of a dampener because having to see fog in the mountains of Aravalli Mountains, very, very rare, and probably I think once in a lifetime kind of a thing that is going to happen. Lush green forests in Rajasthan is again a very, very different and an unusual experience as far as seeing Rajasthan as a jungle is concerned. So yeah, it was unique, quite unique.
I saw bluebird, chinkara, spotted deers, woodpecker birds, squirrels. So I saw mongoose and many more.
We saw spotted deer, we saw sambar deer, we saw nilgai male, female, we saw some reptiles, some birds and wild boars, and yeah, lots of deers.
Ranthambore Heritage Haveli was really very good. The staff is really good, and food is really good. If you ask for something else, also they are getting it done. So that's great.
I personally liked the property a lot. It is secluded away from the city, and at the same time, the hospitality level is very good. Staff is very good. Food is, I would rate as the topmost, the best, because I have never had good, pleasant experiences as far as food is concerned in Ranthambore. So yes, this hotel is definite thumbs up for a future stay.
The rivers and streams were flooded with water. The sound of gushing water thrilled us a lot. Also, it became very scenic since it was raining heavily and it was lush green.
The drivers and the guides were really great. Especially the guides were really cooperative. Even the drivers were cooperative, but the guides were really excellent. The floods and everything, it's muddy, sandy, all the bridges are broken, but the driving was really great.
Amongst all the guides that we've had so far, Kaushan ji and especially Irshad ji, they really helped us gain so much of knowledge. They enlightened us with so many different facts and historical events of this particular tiger reserve that we definitely were very keen to listen to him at the same time when the safari was going on. So irrespective of whether we see the animals or not, but the mere fact that we got to know so many different kinds of things from Irshad ji was a blissful experience.
Shashank ji is quite knowledgeable person to be with, and he did his part very well of putting in all the efforts to give us the best of the best experience in this unfavorable condition of rains during this unseasonal times.
With Shashank Birla, excellent. And so there was something which is not under his control, so it's okay. And I'm happy with Shashank Birla. I'm looking forward for more trips with him.
Apart from guiding us professionally, Shashank ji has also been a very humble person who has personally helped us through for various different kinds of things. whether it is the hotel stay or whether it is any customized requirements that we have. He has gone out of his way, and then he has made it available to us. So I'm really thankful that made us feel so comfortable throughout this entire journey, and thanks a lot to him that he's made this entire experience quite memorable.
Amazing safari, guys. If you would like to in fact join us on our safari tours and expeditions, please do connect with us on the platforms mentioned below. And if you'd like to know more on India's wildlife and our protected areas, please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us. See you next time.